So you've seen the photos and you've heard all the stories, but you really want to know, is this place really worth it?
In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about Cinque Terre, how to get around, the best places to go, specifically one amazing restaurant, and how to hike between the towns. Also, watch till the end where we save someone's life.
Do not dive in!
After all these years of travel, rarely is there a place that takes our breath away, but this place lives up to the hype. I mean, it is truly magical, on the Disney princess level of magical worlds. Even with all the crowds, this place is truly a must visit.
Get up, 'cause there's so much space in the future. Yeah, all of us. So much space in the future.
Okay, so today we are in the town of Manarola. And we just had a quick stop at this incredible restaurant called La Regina, where we had some pasta and some burrata, and now it's time for more. So we are about to head to one of the most famous places in this town of Manarola. It's called Nessun Dorma. I'm gonna tell you exactly how to get a table here because it is very, very popular. Now there is an app called Nessun Dorma. You just download the app, and when you're in the town, you have to have your geolocating services on, and you sign up for the app, and it opens today at 12:30. So right at 12:30, I put my name in and requested 2 spots, and I was already number 23 in line, so I'm not the only one with this idea. But this has the most incredible view over Manarola, and it's only charcuterie and pesto and focaccia, so, you know, snacks, but enough to fill you up. Plus, of course, Aperol spritzes and drinks. So I'm excited to go. Yeah, fingers crossed we get a spot.
Oh, look at Lucy.
Gosh, it's beautiful here.
Prego, buongiorno. 24 Beatrice.
I'm geeking out. This is beautiful. I know it's so touristy, but it's touristy for a reason. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you. Oh, we got such an incredible table here. I was almost deterred because of the line. I just said, I don't want to go anymore. But I'm so glad I did because it's beautiful.
And a drink, have a good time now.
High five. Was it worth it?
It was totally worth it.
So a quick little summary. The order that we got, which was the meat and cheese and focaccia for 2, was a lot of meat.
It was too much meat.
It was too much meat. And this is people who love to eat Italian meats. So our recommendation, try some of the bruschetta. That seemed to be like the dish to go to. And the
And the
Aperol spritz.
burrata.
Oh, and the burrata, right?
Yes.
But what's the tip for people if they don't want to wait in line?
Okay, so if you guys don't want to wait in line, there is a little park right next to Nessun Dorma, actually above it. It's okay, we're gonna tell them the secret. You could bring your own bottle of wine, bring a sandwich, a panini, and enjoy basically the same view without the wait. That's our tip for you. Okay, now it's time for some fast facts about Cinque Terre. First up, it is located in the region of Liguria.
The closest big city is Genoa, where there's an airport, and Pisa is also a good option.
Now, if you're looking to fly here from the US, then you would want to fly into Milan Airport.
Cinque Terre is not just one town, but is a collection of 5 distinct individual villages.
Cinque Terre is a national park and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
The villages are basically car-free, so don't worry about looking for rental cars.
And that's it for the fast facts. Now, back to the vlog.
Says that we can get together now. Who says Blackpink and what can never vow? Who says the future's then and then not now? Who says I don't believe them anyhow?
What did you just say?
I said I think what I need to do before I hit the trail is get some gelato.
Why's that?
Just fuel for the trek. And we're in Italy and we're going hiking, so I feel like water is to trails in California as gelato is to trails in Italy. Are you mad about it?
No,
I didn't think so.
That's hilarious. Hello. I'm just 2 train tickets.
Now, those are good for all the regional trains running between the 5 villages plus Levanto.
So we want to take a second and talk to you about the ticketing system while in Cinque Terre. So obviously there are the trains that you have the options of going from city to city, and those cost €5 one way. Now you also have the option of getting a Cinque Terre day pass, and this is $18.50, and this gives you access to all the trains. You can go back and forth to all the towns as much as you like, and access to the hiking trails. So if you're just going to be visiting 1, maybe 2 cities, don't worry about the Cinque Terre day pass. But if you're going to do hiking or see multiple cities in one day, then go ahead and get that Cinque Terre day pass. And what else?
Also, pro tip, if you are just gonna be traveling from one town to another and you don't wanna get the day pass, then I highly recommend downloading the Tren Italia app on your phone and booking your tickets right on your phone, and then you'll have a mobile pass. Because a lot of the lines at the train stations are very, very long, and they're gonna delay you like sometimes up to an hour. So just get your ticket on your phone and be on your merry way.
What time is it?
It's like 10:30 in the morning. This is the Breakfast of Champions. I'm proud of us for hiking with the baby. High five.
Let's do it.
High five? We don't know that one yet.
We'll work on that one. You ready to hike? Okay.
Fingers in the mouth.
We are off to a good start. I mean, look at that view. That is insane. Just got started hiking from Vernazza to Cornelia, and hoping the rain holds off because this is stunning. Okay, at least I didn't prepare properly for this. I'm not really wearing hiking clothes. I just have like a t-shirt and khaki pants on. It's actually a pretty formidable hike. So if you're coming here, I recommend getting some like dry fit clothing and wear shorts. Pants were a bad idea.
And if you want to kick it up a notch, carry a baby. And then you'll really sweat.
So we made it to the top of the hike, and we're at Prevo, which is overlooking Cornelia. And when you're here, you gotta stop and get this lemon granita.
Fresh lemons.
Fresh lemons, and Colette, being herself, got Aperol Spritz.
Gotta hydrate, guys.
Is it an Italian hike if you don't have an Aperol Spritz? I don't think so. But look at this view.
Happy baby, coming through.
We made it! High five. Yes. High five. No?
No.
Okay. Look at that. That's so good. Hey, sweetie. Okay, if you hike from Vernazza to Cornelia, you have to come to this restaurant when you're finished. Mananan, that's the name right here. Oh my god, it is out of this world delicious. This is the only place in the world I think you can go hiking and then eat like a 5-star meal. We got the seafood pasta for 2, and if you're feeling adventurous, I recommend that. Oh, along with the lemon anchovies appetizer. Oh my god, mind blowing. And then, just get a nice little bottle of, and it is a little bottle, of the local wine. You can't go wrong. Oh my god. Did you have fun here? Bored already? So here are a few important things you need to know before coming to Cinque Terre. Number 1, all of the towns are easily accessible by the very nice trains. Number 2, hiking between the towns is very common. We recommend hiking from one town to the next and then taking the train home at the end of the day. For some of the more popular hikes, you're going to need the Cinque Terre hiking card, and that is included in your Cinque Terre day pass. That includes your train rides. So it's easiest just to get the Cinque Terre card, get the free trains and the free hiking for the day.
Okay, now this one is for the parents. You can bring a stroller with you, but just know that you will most likely be carrying a stroller up a lot of stairs in different towns. The most stroller-friendly towns are Monterosso and Vernazza, but we would definitely recommend bringing a baby carrier because with all of the stairs, it will be way easier to carry your baby than it will to stroll them along. Now, how long to stay in Cinque Terre? A lot of people want to do Cinque Terre in a day, but that is not enough time. With 5 towns to explore, you're going to want to visit for at least 2 to 3 nights, and definitely stay in the villages if you can.
And speaking of where to stay, so we decided to stay in Monterosso. If we had to do it all over again, we would probably do Vernazza. Reason being, well, we just kind of fell in love with the place. We thought it was the cutest, and it was also fairly easily accessible from the train stop. Now, all the villages have their own unique charm, and we loved every single one of them. But if there was one that we'd caution you at staying at, that would be Cornelia. The only reason being is that it is on top of the hill. And that is 382 steps up from the train station or a short shuttle ride. Where all the other villages, you get off the train stop and you are equal level with the town.
You ready for a hike? Yeah, I'm ready for a hike.
Hello.
Hello.
So today, Colette and I are out, Scotland too, hiking our final hike from Monterosso to Vernazza.
For Scott's birthday. Woo, 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 woo.
That's right. Gonna touch it? How you doing back there?
I'm good, I'm trucking. I'm just looking forward to the pasta pot of gold at the end.
Yeah. Someone's a little tired.
Yeah, 'cause someone was up a lot last night. She was just excited for her dad's birthday. She was like, Mom, I'm so excited.
The initial part of the trail is really tight. So it's inevitable that you're probably gonna get stopped waiting for someone to pass going up or down. But now that we're close to the top, things have opened up. We're walking amongst vineyards, looking down on Manarola. Vernazza is just over there.
It's a beautiful trail, actually, and I would highly recommend getting started early because then you can beat some crowds. Okay, the hike was all worth it because we were rewarded with this view of Vernazza. And Vernazza, in our opinion, is the prettiest town in Cinque Terre.
What trail snacks did you bring?
A raw pizza.
Not
Which is
any?
ridiculous.
Yeah.
We got it by our house in Monterosso, and it's delicious. We usually bring like protein bars and fruit, and today we brought pizza because we're in Italy. That's worth it. Want a bite?
Yes, I do.
It's so good. It tastes even better because I'm so tired. Highly recommend trail pizza. I think we're onto something. Why is this baby in?
Why are you in a tablecloth?
Tablecloth.
Why are you wrapped in a tablecloth
Because
right now?
the sea! The sea came up
Only
about
in Italy,
30
right?
feet. Oh my goodness.
The absolute craziest thing just happened. You're at restaurant Belforte. We got like the ideal spot right here, overlooking the water, and right now the waves are just booming if you can't hear them in the background. And we're like 30 feet up, and a wave came soaking this entire terrace. Now you can see that it's empty. It was filled with people 2-3 minutes ago. I got wet, this camera got soaked. We had to change Scotland and wrap her in a tablecloth because we didn't have any dry clothes for her. There's a pasta dish just kind of left because it was like half eaten, and then now it's filled with salt water. Oh my God, people are getting swept away. Oh shit. Oh shit, do people know how to swim? That guy doesn't know how to swim.
Scott, do not dive in! Scott, do not dive in! Please! No!
Che passa?
the ledge. I thought you were going in.
Wave. Some chaos just happened. As we were sitting up here on our second table, nice and dry, another rogue wave came in and washed probably 10 people basically into the little protected area. And we were up here and you can hear people laughing, and quickly I realized there were multiple people down there who didn't know how to swim. So my old lifeguarding skills from high school took into action and decided to just go down there and see what I could do. So everyone's safe, everyone's okay, but it did require, I had to help a guy out. Yeah, I had to help a guy, basically just panicked. He was on a rope, but couldn't get out of the water at that point. So good news is everyone's safe, but they said this happens rarely, but it has happened before. Are we getting you dressed again?
Time to put the clothes back on, and then you're gonna go on, Mama, and I'm gonna keep